first touch mistake that kills in 90% of curve shots. Your curve shot doesn't fail because of your strike. It fails 2 seconds earlier with your first touch. Studies show 90% of missed curve opportunities die the instant the ball arrives. Elite strikers know the first touch creates or kills the shot. Today, we'll break down the 3 types of touches that make or break the curve. The math of pressure. Defenders close 5 yards in just 1.2 seconds. Curve shots take 1.8 seconds to set and strike. That means if your first touch isn't perfect, you've already lost. Your opponent doesn't even have to block the shot. They just have to pressure your setup. Think of your first touch not as control, but as shot preparation. The strike starts the moment the ball arrives. Technique 1. Curve prep touch. Kevin De Bruyne's genius isn't just in his strike, it's in his touch. When he receives the ball, he angles it 2.5 yards into space, opening the lane for the curve. Defenders are still resetting. By the time they react, the ball's already flying. Your application, train your touch to predetermine the curve angle. Every reception should automatically set you into a strike position. Technique 2. Pressure escape touch. Mahrez knows defenders close quickly. His first touch isn't just control, it's escape. Against Liverpool, he touches the ball outward, dodging Van Dijk's pressure, and sets his curve. That single escape touch buys him the time that the curve requires. Your application. Practice directional touches under pressure. Place a defender 3 yards away, touch into space and curve in 2 seconds. Technique 3. Disguise touch. Lionel Messi is a master of disguise. His first touch often looks like a pass, angled for a teammate. Defenders relax. Then with no warning, he curves into the goal. The disguise buys him the half second no defender can afford to give. Your application. Train fake pass setups. Receive as though you're passing, then switch into shooting. Training the first touch. Drill 1, window drill. Touch and shoot in 2 seconds. Drill 2, escape drill. Defender closes. Touch must create a curved lane. Drill 3, disguise drill. Shape as if passing, then shoot. The curve is not decided at the strike, it's agreed at the touch. Fix that, and 90% of your missed chances disappear. Which first touch would you add to your game? Prep, escape, or disguise? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notifications so you never miss out on new content. Catch you in the next one. Football isn't played with feet, it's won with minds. While others see passes, we see patterns. FTGIntel, where data meets destiny. This isn't entertainment, it's education. By 2026, you won't just watch, you'll read the game. FTGIntel. Think the game. Win the game.